Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to turn on in-game notifications on the Free Fire application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application and start a game. Then click on the settings icon at the top of the screen in the left side next to the map. So tap on it and then click on the controls button. Now scroll down to the notifications section, and here you can turn on the in-game tips and elimination notifications by tapping on the either the default or simplified or classic or simplified options. So here you can select the relevant one that you want to choose, and then if you go back to the game you will receive notifications anytime when it's necessary. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.